If you have purchased gift cards for brands like Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon, etc., but don't know how to redeem them, so first you need to check your registered email ID. There you must have received an email after you bought the gift card. Now read your PDF carefully. In the details section, copy the activation link and paste it in your web browser. There you will find the coupon code of your gift card and PIN. After that, visit the website of the brand of which you bought the gift card and then go to the coupon redeem option. There, paste your coupon code and PIN, and that's how you can redeem your voucher. Your voucher balance will be either added to your brand wallet or you can use this amount on payment page as well. If you have purchased EaseMyDeal voucher and are unable to redeem it, so first check your registered email ID. There you must have received an email in which you will find a voucher in PDF format. In that PDF, you will find a coupon code and PIN of that voucher. Now open EaseMyDeal app and click on More option. After clicking More option, click on Add Money. When you click on Add Money, enter the coupon code and PIN that is provided in your PDF. And that's how you can redeem your voucher and the amount will be added to your EaseMyDeal wallet. But in case if you haven't received voucher in your registered email ID, either of EaseMyDeal or any other brand vouchers, then you can follow these steps to download your PDF. First, open EaseMyDeal app and click on More option. Then go to My Orders and click on Gift Cards or Deal section. There you will find list of vouchers that you have purchased, and from there you can download the PDF and follow previously mentioned procedure to redeem your voucher.